Hey everyone, I'm Xoonani. Welcome to my new video. I went through my old sketchbooks and I found these cute nature spirits. This sketchbook is about 10 years old and I already drew this in colored pencils back in the days. But I never was happy with the result. The background is too much, but I like the idea of this character a lot. So I decided to redraw it after 10 years. I will use my self-made sketch/drawing/painting book. This is a watercolor paper. I will use watercolors and colored pencils. First, a fast sketch. This time I only wanted to have a good time in my comfort zone, feeling free and flowing through my artwork. In the last weeks, I tried a lot of new supplies. It's fun, and I still have a few things lying around here which I have to try out. And of course, I will share this experience with you. But today, I need a rest. I want to start and just paint what I feel. First, I want to create a background with watercolors. I want to paint wet and wet, so the color flows more coincidentally over the paper. I love this nature spirit idea, that there are creatures which look for the plants and animals, or which are the positive energy of the forest to hold the balance. Perhaps this spirit which I'm painting lives in our garden. Our garden is a bit wild. There are growing different kinds of grass and clover, flowers, bushes. We have a few trees and fruits and vegetables, and of course a lot of weeds and herbs. Birds like our wild garden, and we have a lot of insects. I think there could live a little nature spirit like that. I like this idea. This paper is not a high quality paper, so it's very, very wavy. Perhaps I painted too wet as well. I have to find a solution. This is better. Now I defined where is what, and it's time to start with the colored pencils. I'm using my polychromos. I love them. Back in the days, I only worked with them. I got them, I think, when I was 14 years old or something like that. This is a relationship. I don't know how I want these flowers. I don't want them too realistic. They should not become too defined. And I don't want to work too much over this beautiful watercolor effect. Perhaps there are also living spirits in your garden or your backyard or on your balcony or at your favorite places in nature. Perhaps you like this idea as well. Imagine this. It's finished now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. That would support me a lot. Let's look at the final result and have an awesome day. Yours, Xoonani.